Good day and welcome to my Evergreen Online's website tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign into our website. You're going to simply go up to the top where there's the sign in and register button. If you are a brand new customer who has never done business with Evergreen, you're going to click on the register button. If you are a customer who has previously had a login to our website, you're going to click sign in. The sign in option will pop up a modal that will allow you to either express register or sign in. If you have previously had an account with us on our previous website, sadly you will need to express register again. This is a brand new system that does not carry over your password, so you will have to reset it. In order to express register, you're going to simply type in your account number and your shipping zip code. Those two numbers must match what we have on file, and that's for an additional layer of security on your account. Once you've typed in those two numbers, you're going to hit continue. Then you're going to type in your name and your password. Once you've hit submit, you will have immediate access to your account and be able to view your orders, your claims, and all of your old history that was previously available to you on the old website. If you've already express registered and you would like to sign in, you're going to simply type in your email address and then your password. There is a Remember Me button, and what the Remember Me button does is it remembers your email address on file, unless of course you have a browser save option. It just alleviates the amount of time that you'll have to type in your email address when you're signing into the website. If for any reason you have forgotten your password, you can always click reset. And what that will do is send you an email within a few minutes so that you can reset your password on the website. If you're a brand new retailer who has never done business with us, you can click create an account, or again, the register button that was up at the top. Once you hit sign in, you will have access to your account. The account area is up at the top near the About Us and Contact Us. There you will be able to view your order, claim histories, payment center, filing a claim, your account status, dashboard, and more. The shopping cart is here. You can begin shopping immediately. We do have a new navigation structure that we hope will make shopping with us even easier than it was before. Again, if you have any questions or need to speak to someone about how to activate your account, feel free to chat with us online. We are available from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. You can also reach out to our customer service department via email or phone. Again, have a lovely day.